Hi, you're watching Signpost Kids.
Hi, Carlei.
Hi, Katie.
What's all this?
I don't know. Clippi and Hippi dropped it off from the boxing factory.
3. I'm gonna pick inside these boxes. Boing. Starfish in a star box? How perfect! I'd love to paint these in another video. Boing. Boing. I wonder what's in this box.
Katie, what are you doing?
Wait! Phew, I almost got caught. This is awesome! It's an ugly sweater making challenge! Hannah and Carlei can do this on their channel. I think Carlei will make me a ugly sweater. Shh, don't tell her.
Here you are. I've been looking for you guys. What are you doing?
Thanks! Wait, I love this stuff. It's an wholesome play-doh kit. Emmy's gonna love this. Wow, this is a lot of surprises. I wonder what's in the red one. Whoa, what is all this? Freeze! They wrapped this good. This will be great for picking things up at the beach. I caught this. This big surprise must be for me. Oh my! Look at all this stuff! Whoa! Look at the sand toy! It's amazing! You put water or sand through here, it clips down, goes like that, and then it spins onto the floor. And it got a cute little octopus. This will be a fun video. Sounds like a trip to the beach. Oh no, I have to clean up this mess. They'll know I opened everything. I'm almost done. I'll be right back. Everybody on screen.
Whoa! So cool!
I love Play-doh. And this one's for the ocean.
I have really cool starfish. I have a cool lobster, and you can pick up things at the beach. I got an ugly sweater kit. I can't wait to do this with Carlei.
Jojo, can I try?
Sure.
Whoa.
Thanks for watching.
Be sure to share this video with your family and friends.